Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Poshmark payment issue. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Poshmark payment issue, first what you need to do is head over and open up your app store, then on the search bar type in Poshmark, and once the result loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over to your settings. Now inside settings, what you need to do is scroll down, then tap on general. Now inside general, what you need to do is tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Poshmark app and then simply tap on it. Now once you're inside here, you'll be finding two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again. And these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.